In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with HSBC on Amazon. As you can see, I'm on the Amazon website right now. And let's say I want to buy this product. So I buy this just for an example. And as you can see, this is how it will look like. This is the payment methods. The shipping and payment, so you can add your credit card or debit card, but that's not what you want. You want to pay with HSBC, and what you want to do for that, because it's not possible on Amazon, you want to go to this website called Dundle. And basically what Dundle is, it sells gift cards online for Amazon, Google Play, eBay, for even Xbox and games. But you can buy the Amazon gift card from here, then let's say a $20 one, and this website has a ton of payment options. As you can see here, it has 73 plus payment methods, and as you can see here, you can buy the gift card over here for $20. Then you can choose the payment methods, and now you want to scroll down till you see the payment method you want. So in this case, it's this one. Then hit checkout, and now you can pay the gift card. And when you got the code, you can go back to the payment page of Amazon and enter in the code of the gift card here. So this is basically how you can do that. And if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.